You know, there's something almost magical about avocados. I mean, think about it. This humble fruit, often mistaken for a vegetable, has become a staple in kitchens around the world. It's not just a trend, it's a lifestyle. And the benefits? Oh, they're as rich as the creamy texture of the avocado itself. First off, let's talk about nutrition. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated fats, which are known to be heart healthy. They can help lower bad cholesterol levels while raising the good ones. Imagine that. A delicious fruit that can actually contribute to a healthier heart. It's like nature's little gift wrapped in a green skin. Then there's the fiber content. Avocados are a fantastic source of dietary fiber. Just one avocado can provide nearly half of your daily fiber needs. Fiber is essential for digestive health. It keeps things moving smoothly in your gut, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and can even aid in weight management. You see, when you eat fiber-rich foods, you feel fuller for longer. So if you're looking to curb those pesky cravings, an avocado might just be your best friend. It's like a natural appetite suppressant, but way tastier than any pill you could pop. And let's not forget about the vitamins and minerals. Avocados are loaded with vitamins C, E, K, and B6, along with folate and potassium. Potassium in particular is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. In fact, avocados contain more potassium than bananas. Who would have thought? It's like a little green powerhouse bursting with nutrients that our bodies crave. And the antioxidants? They're there too, helping to combat oxidative stress and inflammation. It's like eating a little shield of health with every bite. Now, let's talk about versatility. Avocados can be used in so many ways. You can slice them onto toast, mash them into guacamole, blend them into smoothies, or even use them in baking as a substitute for butter. The possibilities are endless. They add a creamy texture and a subtle flavor that can elevate any dish. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a good avocado toast? It's become a breakfast icon, a brunch staple, and a social media sensation. But it's not just about the aesthetics, it's about the nourishment it provides. And speaking of aesthetics, there's something undeniably appealing about the vibrant green color of an avocado. It's a color that signifies freshness and health. When you slice into one, that beautiful, creamy interior just begs to be enjoyed. It's like nature's way of saying, here, take care of yourself. Eating avocados can also be a mindful experience. You have to take your time, choose the right one, feel its texture, and appreciate its flavor. It's a moment of connection with your food, a reminder that what we eat matters. But let's not overlook the social aspect. Sharing a meal that includes avocados can bring people together. Think about it, a gathering of friends, a bowl of guacamole, some tortilla chips, and laughter filling the air. Food has a way of connecting us, and avocados are often at the center of those moments. They're not just a food, they're a catalyst for conversation, for joy, for community. So, the next time you slice into an avocado, remember all the benefits it brings. It's not just about the taste or the texture. It's about the nourishment, the health, the connection, and the joy it can bring to your life. It's a little green miracle, waiting to be enjoyed, one delicious bite at a time. Embrace it, savor it, and let it be a part of your journey toward a healthier, happier you.